Advanced FBA strategies. Using Amazon to sell your stuff has to be one of the most awesome jobs you can have. You get to make money online as an e-commerce entrepreneur by using the largest online retail platform in the world. You can safely boast about having a business partner that takes care of doing everything for you. Using FBA helps you succeed because it leaves the management of resources to Amazon, which is incredibly beneficial for you. After you learn how to prepare your items to have them shipped to Amazon, the game is not over. Here are some advanced strategies to apply if you want to make the most out of Amazon's outstanding fulfillment service. Choosing products to sell. It is wise to adopt a humble approach when you start selling stuff through FBA. We recommend you start with simple, small products that are safe to sell and escalate your business from there. Apply these elements to your FBA business. Keep it simple. Keep it simple at the beginning. The first approach to simplicity is not selling stuff that will require a lot of planning or accommodations to be shipped. You can do this by selling things that can be sold under private labels, such as beauty products, clothing, and supplements. Besides, these types of products are easier to sell and have a broader market appeal, which will help you pile up earnings until you become able to absorb higher investment costs. Keep it small. Selling small stuff will save you a lot of strain and will also guarantee that you keep a tidy profit margin. This is because the larger the items are, the more FBA storage is required and inventory costs will go up. Keep it safe. You also have to keep an eye on how safe your products are for consumers. The products that we mentioned before are safe to store and ship without sustaining any major damage, helping you avoid returns and damaged item costs. Applying SEO techniques. Apart from applying the usual search engine optimization techniques, such as getting press releases for your private label, creating articles to rank your label as a keyword recognized by Google, and bookmarking, there is one SEO strategy that we have discovered that works extremely well for FBA. It is to get as many backlinks as possible. It doesn't matter if those backlinks come from guest posts or from backlinking services, because Amazon will not penalize you for it. Getting reviews. Getting reviews for your products offered through the FBA service is supremely important. Reviews are what will make your product stand out. A well-received product will always get more sales. Getting reviews is sometimes difficult because customers can forget about reviewing a product after they have received it. The good news is, you can ask customers to review your products if you know how to ask them for it. Remember, to get positive reviews, not only does your product need to be top-notch, but you have to provide excellent customer service. How do you ask for positive reviews? Do the following. After a sale has gone through and you are absolutely sure that the customer has received his or her order, simply contact them through Amazon to ask them about their experience and subtly ask them to review your product. You can get a note printed on your product packaging or ask Amazon to leave a note asking customers to notify you once they receive their orders and to please review your product if they are satisfied with it. You can also outsource the job of calling your customers and asking them about their buying experience. Amazon has your customers' phone numbers available in your FBA account. Follow these simple yet extremely functional strategies to the letter and get the most out of the largest fulfillment network in the world.